9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What are you doing? Looks good, Ken.
So we've discovered that the K&N air filter, which comes on the Rotax engine, should work perfectly. So we've cut two aluminum 2-inch spacers, or inserts. They fit in there perfectly. And then the Yamaha's air intake temperature sensor, we're going to drill a hole in between the two and install it in there, and that should give us accurate air intake temperature. And then the stock air horns on the Yamaha, the 2-inch inserts fit perfectly into them, and that should do it.
And remember, it's experimentally.
Yes.
If it doesn't work, we'll go to a bigger airbox.
And we'll have to do, maybe have to do a housing around it, but we'll build a bracket back to carry the weight of the filter housing, and
go from there.
hopefully that works.
So just to show you what's happening here with the exhaust and that standoff, that I think it's just probably during the manufacturing. What we did is we cut this piece off flush with the bolt up here, turned it over, and if you look inside, we threaded that. It's exactly a 1/8 NPT, and our plan is to just put in a plug up on top there with the right here. You can see this, a 1/8 NPT plug with some GB weld, hopefully, or Loctite, red Loctite, whatever. Something that's a more permanent solution. Otherwise, this pipe simply does not have room to fit around or to go between the cowling on the Kitfox and the engine here. Just want to do a sort of a final look on the exhaust here, and I cannot emphasize enough the importance of really, when you're stripping a sled, keep everything. From exhaust studs to wiring to relays to whatever comes with it, make sure you keep everything because it might come in handy. Started up here with the regular studs, cut them short, then we ordered some 1.5-inch stainless steel, came down around, then down here again, if you can see this, we reused the 2-in-1. Let me just get this in focus here. Hopefully now. And then from the 2-in-1, again, we just ordered some stuff and went to the 2-inch all the way over, stepped underneath the firewall, and then we ordered in one of those Amazon Krapovich specials for about, I don't know, 55, 60 Canadians or something like this. And I have to tell you, it sounds awesome, but if you want to hear it, you have to come back for the next episode. See ya.